Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video on, boom, this, my $1,000 1998 Mercedes S420 with sagging mirrors and sagging tires. Yep, this tire, I cannot keep air in that. So, fortunately, I have something in the back seat that is going to fix that, and it is a very good product. It is very inexpensive, and it's something you might want to keep around the house for yourself. Yeah, so before we get to fixing my floppy mirrors right here on both sides of the car, let me show you what's in the back seat. This is going to fix this issue, the issue with the spare and the issue with the SLK 350. I have lots of flat tires around the house. This is the YANTU tire inflator. I have used this a couple of times and I got to tell you, I love it. This is a cordless tire inflator. So you don't have to carry it with a cord, but you get one just in case there's an emergency, okay? This is what it looks like, and I gotta say, this is really, really cool. It's hard to do one-handed. Come on out, here you go. It's a beautiful unit. I think it's great. It comes in black or blue. I chose blue because it matches my eyes. Right there. Also in this nice little carrying case, you get a 30-inch tire inflator, and you get a very, very, very long cord that plugs into your cigarette lighter just in case you need a little extra power, or maybe you've used this a lot and you don't have enough battery juice left inside. Here we go. 30 inches for the tire inflator hose in case you have an SUV or something with a gigantic tire. Basically, you put this together, set the pressure, turn it on, hit the button, and leave it alone. It has an auto off feature as well. So let's put this to the test. All right, well that went so well. Thank you very much, Mr. YANTU. Let's check out another car. And I'm sorry about the mess. This is the SLK 350. And of course, she has another flat tire. So let's get her set up. I'll get you a little closer viewpoint and we'll see how fast how long it takes to air up a completely flat tire on another Mercedes. All right, hopefully you can see just how flat this tire is. This will be tire number 2 for the magnificent YANTU. This tire has been flat for a long, long time. I specialize in flat tires, by the way. All my cars, all of the good cars have flat tires. We have 5 PSI, so let's see how long it takes to get up to 32. I have this preset to stop at 32. All right, there you go. 32 PSI, automatic stop, and the tire looks fantastic. This could be you on the side of the road with a lovely dog watching you. Yep, that's Lola, my dog. Okay, so we are testing out the cord here. We're going into my cigarette lighter in my door right there, okay? And we're traveling back here, and we're going all the way back up here to the YANTU. We're gonna go up to 32 again. Now, I don't have my battery attached. There it is. There it is. This car I just purchased, this tire is dead as a doornail, okay? There's no air in here at all. So let's go ahead and pump this up. We'll go up to 32 again, and we'll just kind of see how she does. And there you go, one fully inflated tire thanks to the lovely YANTU. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Yep, this too can be yours. It's on Amazon, and you want to go check it out. There's a 16% off coupon right now, bringing the price down to $69.95. Once again, YANTU. Now, let's get to work on the mirrors on this car and a new part that we have purchased for this car that looks like a total wreck. But I love her. I love her. I really do. 740i, who's seen lots and lots and lots of better days. Who'd you rather, a beautiful Mercedes or a big old BMW? This is kind of a common problem on the W140s. I do see this more and more. Mine have never suffered from this. I've already removed the mirror. This was broken, okay? So to remove the mirror, there's a little wire bar right here. You just kind of move it off of its tab, and then this comes off. Someone put some adhesive right here to kind of hold it on better. This bar right here is kind of what holds everything in place, and as you can see, it's not holding everything in place. In fact, it's sticking up so much I can't even put the mirror back where it is supposed to go. So to remove this part of the mirror, there are 3 Phillips head screws. Once you're inside, you can get back under here, and there's a little bar. I don't know if you can see the little bar. This is what I hate. Okay, there it is. There's your little bar right there. You can take it off of the perch, and this cover should just slide off. You want to try that by itself? Tilt your head with me now. Yeah, put the finger up there. Give me the finger. There you go. That is what we are trying to remove off of its little perch. So let's do that. Maybe we won't have to take this off, and we'll take off the cover for the mirror. Now let go. Let go. You're supposed to let go. All right, well, we're gonna have to remove the screws. Dadgummit. Now you can see some of the screws. This bottom one right back here is the real pain in the rear, you know what, to get. And you don't want to strip it out. Of course you don't want to. And of course it's buried. There we go. Some people change these to Allen bolts because you can get that bent piece of the Allen key in there. And don't save this one for last because you'll never get it out. I think that's it. Okay, then we'll get this one. There it goes. Come out. That's been on there since the beginning of time. Okay, then there's an electrical connector that you disconnect, and you're good to go. Mission complete. We have one cover removed from one housing, and this is a little bar that you have to try to remove off of the clip right there. Okay, once you get that free, this just slides out. Okay, we're going to give this a good cleaning. Yeah, that's going to get a whole nice cleaning. The situation we have going on is, see how this has moved from here and this is sticking out. Okay, I have to get this all in alignment, and then I have to get this back in. Oh, and it's, well, that's great. It's broken. The tab is, dadgummit, see how it's broken right there? Yeah, that's it right there. That should be straight. Well, that changes things. Well, we're back. We have it fixed. Okay, so it looks pretty good, except when you look closely. All right, this is the metal bar that came out. These 2 points right here, and it was bent. So I was able to force it back into position. It goes all the way through here. So this is what kind of stabilizes everything and holds it all together. I have another broken tab, which is right here. This is another common fault. This is the part that moves when you want to move the mirror out of the way. And so all I've done is zip tied it, and I could probably do it a little better if I needed to. Maybe even go one more around this way. I don't know, we'll see. But it's going to hold the mirror flat. It's going to be great. We're not going to have any problems, and I'm going to love it. Okay, so we're just going to get this back on the car, and we're just going to love it the way it is. Want to see something pretty? Check it out, baby. Yep, we got it all cleaned up, got it all reattached. Even used a little bit of Windex, some windowology to clean her up. And I think that looks 1,000 times better. On the other side, well, we still have a bit of flaccidation. I guess that's a good word for it. I did all I could. Okay, we have it kind of zip tied, and there's some parts broken right here, so I'm going to have to find another one. But it looks good from there, and it works. I got it aimed. This was just so bent right here, and there's another piece that's broken, so I had to zip tie it. And even that wouldn't hold it. The trusty old zip ties wouldn't even work. I know, can you imagine? Anyway, it's looking so much better than the tape. I just got to clean this part. I forgot about that. I completely forgot about that. So we'll get that cleaned up. But for just a second, we're going to focus our attention on the big Beamer because I got something in the mail that might just fix it. It might fix our low power problem with the engine. All right, let's open it up and we'll show you what's going on. We are back with the big Beamer. Yep, and I have a little part right here delivered to me direct from China. I hate to say it, but I couldn't find one made in the USA that would be here in any kind of time at all that was new. So what we have is a Holstein parts, established probably 2021. This is a camshaft position sensor. This could be the reason why there is no power, all right? We're going to install this. It simply goes right down here, and as you can see, I am already prepared to do this. It sits right behind the intake hose. It's right here on the front of the right bank, cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. It plugs in to right here, and hopefully it's gonna fix this. If not, I could be dealing with a stretched timing chain. The timing chain tensioner is right under here. You can replace that by itself. I watched a couple of videos on that. You try that first before you replace the guides. Okay, usually what happens, according to this one guy, is your timing chain tensioner loosens up and the chain starts smacking against the plastic parts, and that's what breaks it, not the rotation if it's nice and tight. That's not what breaks it. When it starts slapping against it, like I slap on the top of your head sometimes, Lola, that's what makes it break. So hopefully this will fix it so we don't have to dig any deeper in there. As I said, the part lives right here. And I took a little chunk out of my thumb thanks to an electric bike that I was working on. So I'm gonna try to be careful. Let's go the right way, Mike. I want you to take note also, look how clean the throttle body is. This looks like new. The inside of this, let me give you a quick little peek. I didn't clean that. It was like that. I have never seen a cleaner throttle body in my life, which in a weird way kind of has me worried. Anyway, camshaft position center simply pops out and you kind of route it around. This part comes off right here and you can pull it out kind of between here and there. So this is going to get a little messy. I'm trying to keep my hands clean. It's not going to work out. And I know putting a Chinese part on a BMW is unforgivable, and I'm going to be looking for another better camshaft position sensor if that fixes it. If I'm dealing with the same thing, I may focus on the timing chain tensioner. Is this even going to come out? Don't tell me you're so tight you won't even... Come on. What the hell, BMW? Come on. You're kidding me, right? Here it comes. There it is. Okay, it's got a part number on there. That, I think, is the original. Let's just kind of throw this in real quick. Does it even fit? Yes. Okay. Not too tight. That's perfect. All right, let's give her a start and see what happens. We are all assembled and gathered here to witness this thing called start. Yeah, we're gonna see if she's gonna start. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, please. Okay, that sounded pretty good. 3, 2, 1. That doesn't sound good. Come on. Okay, I'm not touching anything. I'm not doing anything. My foot is not even on the pedal. Okay, that was... why did you do that? Why did you just do that? I didn't push anything. Why did we do that? That's why this was off. Okay. Wow. All right, that was scary. Holy moly. Now, be gentle. Does she sound better? She does not. There's no check engine light on. Well, we tried. I have done all I can for this car. I've sprayed all in here. There are no leaks. It sounds like there's a leak. There are no leaks. I did a smoke test. No leaks. I just don't know why there's no acceleration. Is it fuel? I don't know. All right, let me know in the comments, folks. But thank you for watching. This was kind of a weird video. If you do need a tire inflator, I love it. I think that's a good one. And it's on sale now for about $69. And it is cordless. You get the long cord. It'll pump up all kinds of tires and keep you on the road. So I have a link down below. Please go check out that. And if you like it, buy it. I might even make $2 or $3 off of the deal. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you think about the Benz and, of course, the big busty Beamer. I can't figure her out. I really cannot. So we'll continue doing some research. I'm going to probably order a timing chain tensioner. Maybe when you step on the gas, timing gets out of whack because the chain is loose. I don't know. At this point, I don't know. I just don't know. So, have a good day, everybody. We'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye-bye.